morning, dear students. Welcome to EVS class. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn about our shelter. A shelter is a place that protects us from bad situations and danger. So we can say that our house is our shelter.
So, what is a house? A house is a place to live in. It protects us from heat, cold, rain, thieves, and wild animals. Houses are of two types. They are Kacha house and Pakka house. Children, do you know the difference between Kacha house and Pakka house? A Kacha house is made up of mud, leaves, straw, and bamboo. A Pakka house is made up of bricks, iron, cement, and wood. It is a strong house. Children, do you find any difference between the types of houses in the past and present? Houses in the past were big and airy. They had high roof with lots of windows and ventilators. And they had a courtyard where everyone gathered in the evening after work. The kitchen and the bathroom were at a distance from the other rooms of the house. But nowadays, houses are different from the houses in the past. Most of the houses are built by today are Pakka houses. These houses are made by using building materials such as bricks, cement, concrete, iron, and steel rods. These materials last for long. Wood and glass are used to make doors and windows. The floors are made of tiles or marbles. Nowadays, houses have different rooms for specific needs. Children, can you say the different rooms in a house? Yes, drawing room, dining room, bedroom, and study room. Toilets and kitchens are also made inside the houses and have proper sanitation system. Nowadays, houses have electricity for lighting and to run all gadgets and household appliances, and have garages to keep personal vehicles. Now let us see the difference between houses in villages and in towns and cities. That is, houses in rural areas and urban areas. Children, do you know what is rural area and urban areas? Villages with farmlands and fields all around are called rural areas. And towns and cities are called urban areas. In rural areas, houses are huts made of mud, clay, and bamboo with thatched roofs of hay. Nowadays, many villages have Pakka houses made of baked bricks, cement, and stones. And these houses are mostly single-story houses. And in rural areas, houses may not have electricity, proper drainage system, and sanitary conditions. But now, most of the people are educated and aware of the importance of proper sanitation. And state governments are also taking necessary steps to improve sanitation and to provide electricity to the backward areas. Our next topic is houses in towns and cities. That is houses in urban areas. Houses in urban areas are Pakka houses with proper drainage system, sanitary conditions, and good ventilations. Houses today are fitted with complete electrical wiring and security systems. In towns and cities, we can see different kinds of houses. Some are single-story houses that are called bungalows. These bungalows have lawns around them. Some houses are duplex houses that have rooms on 2 floors. Some houses may be multi-story buildings with 1 or more flats or apartments on each floor. Now large cities have skyscrapers. These skyscrapers are tall buildings having 20 or more stories. containing several flats on each floor. Some cities have slum areas. Sometimes many people cannot afford to buy or rent a house in cities due to the cost of housing. So people occupy places and make temporary houses with whatever material is available. Cluster of many such houses form unauthorized colonies. These are called slums. People in slums live in unhygienic conditions without proper toilet facilities, sewage, drinking water, and electricity facilities. The drains are always choked and overflowing. This causes germs and diseases to spread. Now governments and other organizations are taking efforts to improve the living conditions in urban slums. Children, now can you say the difference between the types of houses in the past and present? In the past, villages mostly had kacha houses. Pakka houses were mostly found in cities, and they had higher ceilings and ventilators. Some houses had courtyards. But today, in villages, some houses are made of unbaked bricks and have thatched roofs. In cities, we can see different kinds of houses. They are single story, double story, and multi story buildings. I hope you understood the different types of houses and the difference between the types of houses in the past and present.